Well, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now as you can see I'm still not in my normal setting. I am still away on holiday, but I need to get these videos out and recorded to make sure I can do B-roll over here in the States. So we fitted these just before, so this is a whole separate video. But this is another case from AliExpress. This is an iPhone 13 Pro Max silicone case in the blue, and the only reason I went with the blue is to match the car, because I'm looking for a Apple Watch strap now as well that's going to match the similar thing. But as you can see, it's not real. It's come from AliExpress. It has got the pull to rip thing on it still. All the brief information. It's got Apple ink, of course, down the bottom here, but as you know, this just isn't real. I mean, look at that text on the front. It's just not real at all, but it has got the Apple logo and a lip around the camera. But let's just go ahead, let's just open it and get into it. So let's rip it open. Okay. So obviously, as you can see, no sign of any MagSafe inside the case, but it does have a little ring right here and one just around the outside, so maybe it's got MagSafe, who knows, but we will test that out. Okay, so let's just quickly check whether this has got MagSafe or not. So if we place it on this, as you can see, no. But if I place the iPhone inside it, like so it's inside the case now, if I place it on, it does stay on, but it's not held on very well. It is stuck on there, but that's only because of the iPhone, so if I peel it off ever so slightly, it will come off, but it is just held on there right now, as you can see. So it's not MagSafe compatible, but it will work to a certain extent. Feels good. The Apple logo is raised off the case, and then of course you got this around the outside. Nice buttons, cut out for your toggle switch, camera cut out, speaker cut out, charger cut out, and it does say iPhone, and it does feel nice and suede inside, but I mean it does feel a bit, yeah, it's not the best, but it's not the worst either. Let's go ahead, let's put the iPhone into the case. Let's take a look. So as you can see, the cameras are recessed inside there. Nice clicky button, same with the volume, nice and clicky. Cut out for your toggle switch, as I said, and then of course all the cutouts on the bottom for your speaker and your charge port. It's not bad, it's not great, it's not the best, but if you're in a pinch and you want a cheap case and a cheap looking Apple case with different colours, then this might actually be the way to go. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below this video. Let me know what you think of this. I mean, you got that seam around the outside there too. As I say, it doesn't look great, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It looks good enough. But as you place it down, of course, it's not going to touch the screen either. So, you know what I mean? It may do you. As you say, if you're in a pinch, you want a nice cheap case, this might be the way to go. I'm going to leave links to where you can pick this up on AliExpress in the description down below. There is many other colours. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn on those notifications, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care guys, stay safe. Rah.
Start it up.